guys, what's going on? As you see by the intro, I have my hot stove going on out there. Just got it in, super stoked about that. And I also got, as you can tell, some Mac Baron Dark Twist roll cake. Also, I got a new pipe. It was on sale on pipesandcigars.com, and it is a K Woody Berkshire imported briar. So it's a briar bulldog style pipe. Wanted to get a bulldog because my grandfather had a bulldog and it got kind of the pipe kind of vanished, so really stoked to get my own. You can see it's a little rusticated right there, and then if you turn the bowl right there, there's some more of that. It's cool. I got the one that the shank right here is kind of indented. It thins out instead of the bulldog shape all the way down. What's up? We're back. Hey guys, PokerPiper here. I got my new pipe all loaded. I broke apart really nicely. So got the stove here, you can see kind of in frame, and it is roaring nicely. I don't even need my hat on. Here we go. Oh, it's a new pipe. Almost fucked my day up. Alright, so I forgot my matches somewhere, and I never ever, well, I try not to, put into a new pipe or new tobacco without matches. It's just my little piping etiquette I try to follow myself. So we're gonna use a lighter to light a stick to light my pipe, because matches are what? Chemical sticks. Oh yeah. My steel toes are heating up though. Sorry, bud. Smoking you out there. Huh? So, I'll put all the specs of this tobacco on screen right now. And, yeah, it has a lot going on for it. Some Virginia's in there, Kentucky. Finger temper. This pipe is so smooth. Something about it, the way it smokes. This is gonna be one of my favorite pipes to smoke. I can tell already. Thank all you guys for the support of my last video. It was a review video of my Falcon pipe, and cinematography in it was questionable, but you guys really enjoyed it, so I'm glad. Can you tighten it down wide? It burns so nicely. This tobacco is made to be a nice, clean tobacco taste, just like my my English blends mainly. Adding some more wood in. Yeah, watch your gloves. Don't burn through those ones. Went through quite a bit in this little stove, but that's because my my drawer is all the way open. I'm trying to get it all burnt out, all the chemicals on it. Yeah, so me and him both decided to get stoves this winter. I waited 2 years to decide this, or a year and a half. I saved up two winters, and it's not any stove either. It's not just any stove. There's only 2 companies I know in the US that does folding stoves as nicely as this. So far I'm liking this. I'm really glad we have it because it's portable, under 5 pounds. It's literally like a 4.16 ounces, 4 pounds 16 ounces or something like that. If you're I'll put the link in the description. You can go check it out for yourself. Well, yeah, but you guys didn't come here for stoves, but thanks for clicking that video. Definitely subscribe if you haven't already. They didn't come here for you. I know, I'm a king here for this pipe. I know I did. The whole idea behind this stove is we're going to be going up in my Polish Lavu, which I'll probably set up this afternoon with it, and I'll put some shots in the end of this video of that's basically, it's going to be our winter setup, our fall setup. Hopefully we'll be getting a actual hot tent made and designed for these little guys.
Yeah, we both got one of these. And
for when we get our hunting license and start getting hunting. And sorry for the secondhand smoke, bud. From your end, how's the notes smelling? So you smell it?
Yeah, I did. I did get a couple whiffs, and actually my eyes lit up a little bit. Well, cut.
You seen it fall? That was awesome. It's a full aroma of tobacco, or is
It's
it sweetness? Do you smell
it's
spice?
not undercut on the sweetness, but it's
You
not
smell that
undercut
spice
on the.
in there, right?
Yeah, I did. I smelled it on the
sure.
end, a little bit, and then a little bit in the beginning.
And don't be drawn away by this tobacco if you, you think that the spice is going to be like tongue bite type of spice thing. No, it's not at all. It's more of a like a smoky taste. It's really good,
yeah,
especially
like
when you're bushcrafting. Yeah, like beef jerky, sweet beef jerky.
So he did say it'd be good with whiskey, some Kentucky whiskey. It'd be good with a lot of different whiskeys.
Good with some liqueur.
It's about to go out. That hardwood's insane. I put 4 of the sticks on the bottom. Put a big cube in the
one I got from Dad.
Dad, no, the hardwood
from Dan.
No, that stuff, the stuff from the deck. I put 3 of those slices on the bottom.
Oh, did you?
And then I put one up top too, like MCQ bush hack, to lift up the sticks and put some lightning. It was good. Didn't even put it. Only put the very top of it. You can see them over there. Whole stick still intact. After a whole bed in with like this, still sticks are not bunched. That shit's insane.
Alright guys, well, hope you enjoy this video. I'll put those Polish Lavu clips at the end if you're interested. If not, you can click off this video right now. Definitely give a like and subscribe. We're out here not freezing, actually enjoying the weather. So my pipe is going out. I've been smoking it off camera a little bit, and you know what that means. I'm out. Peace. PokerPiper. Have a good day. Check out these clips.
My Lord.